Hey, this is Alex Martinez, Andrea Martinez's husband, and today I'm going to be doing her voiceover. Alright, so right off the bat, you can see that she is applying eyeshadow. And it's like a really peach shade. Now she is fixing up her eyebrow, applying more concealer. Oh, and now she's going back to her eyeshadow with multiple shades. I'm guessing her transition shades. And now it looks like she's cutting her crease. Yeah, that's exactly what she's doing. Yep, just cutting her crease, applying concealer. It's a really sharp line. It takes time. Now she's applying the color that's going to go on the lid, which is a really bright blue, light blue. It's really pretty blue. It's her favorite color, actually. Now, oh, dang, she's quick. She already put on eyeliner, and now she's putting on her other eyelash. Now she's putting on mascara. Now she's putting on some type of cream on her face. I guess she's just moisturizing her face, getting ready to put foundation and all the other stuff. She's color correcting so I can cover up all her blemishes. And now she's just dabbing it in so it's not that noticeable when she applies foundation. And now she's applying her foundation. It's a really light shade. She's just dabbing it in, getting it all over her face. Now she's applying concealer to cover up her dark circles, eye circles, what do you call them? She's applying it on her nose and her forehead as well. Now it looks like she has an angel on her face. Those are the wings right there under her eyes. And she's also putting it on her chin. Oh, now she's blending the concealer into her face. Now she is baking. She's taking off the excess powder. And now it looks like she applied contour. Yeah, she's doing the fish lips, that's contour. She's blending out her contour so it's not that harsh. She has to hold her little hairs so they don't get in the way, because she has a lot of loose hairs. She's blending, and now she's baking again, I think. It looks like it. Now it looks like she has a powder mustache. Now she's removing the excess powder again. And now I can't really tell because she's out of focus, but it looks like, oh, I didn't catch what she did there. Now she's putting mascara on her lower lash. And now she's outlining her lip, getting ready to apply some lipstick. She's applying lip liner, I think. or a liquid lip. And now she is setting her face, finishing up. And I think she's applying highlight there. Yes, highlight. And she's done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.